Hey guys, okay, so you won't be seeing my face today, our faces, because today my friend my friend Liz is here so that we can do a plan with us. I actually haven't seen, I've seen a lot of plan with me's. I haven't seen, oh my god, my nails look very terrible. Anyways, I haven't seen enough plan with us. So I thought it would be fun for both of us to just have a chit chat and you can see us planning because me and Liz love to do this stuff.
Oh, yes,
and we finally met up to do it. You're gonna like her nails better because she got them done. So mine's are terrible.
I told her to get a manicure, but no.
Anyways, we already took the pages out and we're not really going to be explaining specifically what we're using because like I said, it's just going to be more of a chit chat and a relaxed plan with us. And we are a little crammed here, so hopefully like we can at least show you what we're using. And yeah,
I like to cover where it says the week of.
Oh. Oh yeah, what planner is this? Do you know which one?
Mine is just like it's like a duplicate of the Kiki Palm one.
Okay. I didn't know she had.
Yeah, she does. They're really nice, but really expensive.
Ah.
I think I got this at Michael's for $15, I think.
It's not bad.
And you just buy the refills every year. I think you mentioned which one's yours in the favorites.
Mine's is the Happy Planner. But this is my first time using the Happy Planner because usually I get the, well last year I did the Erin Condren. You did the Erin Condren
I did it
too.
once because you bought it for me.
Yes.
I wouldn't spend so much on a planner.
I know.
But I loved it.
I don't think I
What, mine?
No, mine. Why would I tell you I don't like yours?
You would tell me.
I actually really like yours. It's the neon pink. Is that my washi tape? I was like,
yeah, it is. I forgot my washi tape at home. All I brought was stickers. Payday. Mine is on Friday.
Almost everybody's is on Friday. But I really want to stick to the... Excuse me, miss.
I can't.
So, yeah, I want to stick to like the TLC theme. Yes, this is from the Happy Planner also, and it has all like school related.
Really?
Yeah.
I didn't see that one.
I don't know where. I think I did get this one at Michael's.
You know what? I thought that I bought one for school, which was like a smaller one, but I didn't. I ended up leaving it.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
I'm just gonna do black.
Okay, my things never come out nice the way yours do.
What do you mean?
We're gonna compare at the end. People are gonna vote which one they like better.
Comment down below which one you end up liking. You got. I know it doesn't look like I'm planning, but I'm actually looking through my sticker book to see what to put.
Yeah, I have a lot of pages.
I literally just had it. Where is it?
Which one? See, she's wasting time looking for it. And this is what I do.
I'm going.
I put sticky notes.
You didn't tell me that. I would have
on the pages that I need.
Okay.
So that way I don't forget.
Thank you for notifying me after. Okay, well, Tuesday is movie night.
Tuesday.
What movie? No sé, pero.
Well, there's a good movie that I really want to see. I'm trying to convince Bae to see it with me.
Which one?
Called A Quiet Place. I think, yeah, we like those types. It's like
on?
Comes on the 6th. When's the 6th?
It's a Friday, and I know that because I want to go to Ulta for their 20. Oh no. Because they're having their 21 days of beauty.
Oh yeah.
Come on, work with me. I literally was telling Liz that I don't want to spend too much time on this video, and I feel like I'm the one wasting time on it. She's like literally already done with one page.
Is it like a liquid lipstick or is it a lipstick?
All their lipsticks. So like it could be their matte lipsticks and So
Really?
yeah, it's called matte lipsticks, and they have another one that's called matte lip paints, which I'm not really sure what the difference is.
So that means we have to play with them to see what it is.
Yes, so I'm gonna use these. You actually have one of these. You just reminded me.
Oh, I have that too from the Erin Condon. Look at how nice her stuff comes out.
No,
Mine is just...
It's
mine
not. I'm all over the place.
Mine is just mom life. That's what it is.
I'm gonna get her sticker mom book because it actually has good cute stickers. Study guide for psych. So I think I'm gonna take summer classes.
Me too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But I'm gonna take night summer classes.
Oh no.
No. My quiz. What else? I think that's it. And then I have work.
Yep, I'm about to write work too.
I still wanna put like, oh, I should just use hello.
That's such an ugly W. It's okay.
Excuse me.
No.
Oh,
but you know what? This is an easy fix.
How? Show them.
I will.
Oh.
I need
sorry.
your paper.
What paper?
You know what? You have two. There's
do?
no reason for us to be fighting over scissors.
Look, it looks so pretty.
Oh, the mermaid. Would you tell them your theme?
So it's kind of sticking to like sea, like sea stuff, and you know, from the ocean, because I
From the of course, from the ocean.
I'm like
Not from
and a teal theme, even though my cutting techniques are not coming out good. I don't know if you guys can. Wait, I'm like flipping it the opposite way.
Hope your subscribers know your favorite color by now. This obviously came out horrible.
Okay.
So this is just a, what would you call this? A sticky notepad thing. Just gonna cut it like the square.
Oh, a post-it note is what you needed.
Yeah.
Oops.
It's my fault. I don't know my words right now.
It's okay.
I'm just gonna put it like that. Is that I didn't really bring my stuff.
I know.
So I don't know what I have.
That's true, because she's actually the one who inspired me to do this. Like, I always been into planners, but I didn't like know how much you can do with them until she showed me what she did with hers.
Oh.
I'm gonna put a heart to kind of go with the theme of the gold strip here.
I'm trying out this thing where I only get coffee on the days that I go to school.
Ooh, that's a good idea.
But I'm not sure if it's working.
Yeah. Did you go to school today? I don't think so.
No.
Okay.
It's really hard. It's really hard.
I really wanna... Okay, I think I'm gonna start the next page.
For Wednesday, I'm gonna call it Treat Yourself.
I think I have a sticker that says me time, which I should put.
Yeah, that one, I have a me time too. I don't like it because that is the day that I like to go shopping at one of my favorite stores.
Yep, we all know where that is. Actually, no, seriously, I wanna, do you think maybe next week?
Next week, as in this week that we're doing, right?
Yes. Oh yeah, this one.
Yeah.
We can go to the thrift store. So.
Oh, I'm already writing it down. Salvation Army, 50%
I'm
off.
starting to realize that you're pretty much the one who got me into like all the like thrifting and scrapbooking. So it could stand out more. And I also wanna, I think I'm gonna put one here too. Oh no, I'm gonna do this one, which is skinnier. I love how your like neon pops up. Oh, look, this one says laugh, swim, love.
Laugh, swim, love.
Aww. So this one actually has good quotes.
I like to put the days I want to do a mask.
But I don't know. Oh, this one goes perfect with the theme. I think it's only because you're here that I'm actually usually.
See, that's what I was looking for.
Oh, no, this is one. You have these?
No, I was looking for paper like that. I just didn't know what it was called.
Okay, so we're almost done. It's a sticker one. Oh, I usually put an owl for now because I still have to get like filming stickers. But owls mean film day for me.
Can I have one?
Of course, since you love owls.
I do love owls.
I don't know where to put it without it. Like, oh, right here. Ew.
My attempt at a talking bubble.
It's okay, my attempt at waves on the side of the pages. This is for beginners, so I hope if you guys came here, you understand that this is just for fun, and this is usually how we just do it to go out. Did I put everything on my thing? Library, da 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 da. Oh, I know what I missed out. Where are my stickers? My workout stickers. So we're finally done. I'm sorry if it was kind of messy, but this is usually how it goes. So you can see hers first. That's Liz. Oh, I like the contrast with the teal.
Yeah.
Makes it look nice. I like it. And the quote right here. Yeah, a little thought bubble. I like it. And then this one's mine. And I know you can't really see it just because this one's smaller. But I did a lot of teal. I tried to I don't really like white space, so I like to try to put as much tape, as much stickers, and as much wording as I can. So that's what I try to do here. That is it, and thank you for joining me and Liz in this plan with us. I actually haven't seen a lot of plan with us, so I hope we can do more of these and more plan with me's too. Thank you for watching.
Bye.